We have another baby update.
Yes!
I'm excited. I love the baby updates. I'm so excited. So 22 weeks I'll show because I feel like now I'm like really showing.
No.
Not in black.
I really don't think so.
Oh no.
Now you
It's
are.
there.
Oh Jesus!
There's
Can
like
I have my basketball back after
Yeah,
this?
there's a bump.
It's pretty firm.
So cute. It's very firm.
Does it
Did you
hurt-
ask?
Does it feel like pressure when I go like that?
No, she's down here though.
What's
So
up there?
She's
Grace is like
TV,
lower.
her
I think
entertainment
my
system.
Close.
yeah, my uterus is up there. My uterus is growing. It's gonna grow to the size of a watermelon, and she's.
They make little watermelons,
Well, I think. Well, we'll
Like
see
a-
how big. You'll see.
like the one in Dirty Dancing when she's carrying a watermelon. Is that it?
I had to carry the water, or I meant to carry the watermelons. I love
carry the
that. I
watermelon.
misquoted it. But
Sam.
so she's the size of a squash now.
Okay.
That's pretty big.
That is pretty big.
She's about a pound.
She's the
kind of
size of a
squash?
vegetable. Yeah, exactly.
Spaghetti squash.
A spaghetti squash, okay. Had to
She's
know.
she's
She would be
around
great
a
with some
pound. So
marinara.
they kind of 11 inches. So they kind of remember like in grade school when you had to hold the flour bag.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like that. You never had to do that.
I don't know what was wrong with my schooling, but no, I never had
never
to
had
do
to do
that.
it.
So then you're really prepared. You've already done the flour bag thing. You're ready.
Yeah, you're
Right,
done.
exactly.
Much
It's
harder
going to
than
be
that.
good to go. Yeah.
Hey, Sam, I'll
Yes.
ask you a question before the people in the comment section do.
Yeah.
Your boobs look big.
Oh, I can't with the
What? I
comments.
didn't notice.
I can't. I have to get another bra like in the next couple days. But yeah, your boobs
So you're wearing
grow.
the same bra that you have been wearing.
No, God,
You
no.
got-
I was like a C, like a low C. Now I'm a double G. Like they keep fucking
Wowzers.
growing, and it's not fun.
Double G was
not-
my rap
No.
nickname in high school.
It's not fun. I have to tell you, it's not fun. It hurts the back, and then this will be my fourth bra.
Can you sleep on your stomach?
Oh,
It's not comfortable. They recommend you sleep on your left side or your right, but for some reason they prefer you to sleep on your left. And the pregnancy pillow helps because you can kind of straddle it because your back hurts. And I didn't realize why my back hurt. I had to Google it.
Lower
I thought,
back?
Yeah, I thought maybe it was the boobs and the tummy, and I'm sure that has a lot to do with it. But it mainly has to do with your pelvis is moving to accommodate the baby because the hormones that I'm producing
bones?
right now. So the hormones I'm producing right now, one in particular, the name's escaping me. It's like relaxin. What it does, it literally relaxes all the ligaments around the pelvis and the joints, so the pelvis can tilt and move and give way, so the baby can pass through.
Like your bones are like
And
a
my
morphing,
ligaments,
like
yeah.
you're an anamorph.
And your abs separate, so your abs are separating, your uterus is moving, it's crazy.
Okay, so as you go through this and you're like reading what's going on,
Yeah.
are you just like, holy crap,
It's
my body's
amazing.
amazing?
Oh, totally.
You have
You were-
a person inside of you.
I know, and I feel her kick all the time now. It's the most amazing thing when you feel her. It's so exciting.
A lot of people have the expression, she's about to pop. Oh my God, she's gonna pop. Do you feel like you're about to, like if I were to like poke you hard enough, would it like pop? How does that work?
and what if it was just a bubblegum bubble in there?
Like, is it?
I just started feeling uncomfortable. Like I told you the first trimester I was really sick, and then I felt really good from like week 13 to like week 20. And then the last 2 weeks I've been, and it's just gonna get worse, but I feel great, I do. But yeah, I flew yesterday from New York, back home from New York, and it was tough.
It feels like pressure.
Just you're achy, you've got to keep moving, you get leg cramps, it's weird. I mean, it's bizarre.
When
Like-
you're not working, what do you want to do? Do you just want to lie down?
Like right now, my back hurts. I just want to stretch, maybe get a pregnancy massage, like acupuncture.
What are
Have you
pregnancy
been-
massages like?
I haven't had one yet. Like,
Can
what
we
the
go
fuck?
get one?
I need to get one. I guess they're
I'd
more
love
Do they do
gentle.
it for people that are
Like
not
couple
pregnant? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it is,
Interesting.
but I love
But like-
that you asked like how, because that's what I think the most amazing experience has been, like how incredible our bodies are. Like I had to learn
Yeah.
what last time we talked about what the placenta did. I had no idea what a placenta did. I had no idea that I grew it and then you birth it. Like it's amazing. Like and yeah, that my milk duct should be filling up soon.
Are
Sorry.
you doing
gotta
all
clear
the
'em.
things like talking to it? Like, are you doing like all
Yes.
like playing the music?
Well, at
and all that
5
kind of
months is
stuff?
when they develop hearing. So
Okay.
like just a couple weeks, because now I'm 5.5 months. So just a
Yeah.
couple weeks ago, I downloaded an app called Neural that has like all these, has decades of testing where they pick specific music that's supposed to be great for the cognitive ability. I don't know if any of that's really proven, but yeah, I will let the baby
hurt.
listen to music 1 hour a day, and it's fun. Why not? It gives you a bonding experience. But she can hear my voice, she can hear my partner's voice, she can hear like vacuum cleaners. I guess if I had my phone, if I had my phone next to the belly and then the phone rings, there's been, studies where the baby will like move away, like or if you shine
Really?
light, even though the eyelids are fused shut, if
Or
you
like
shine,
reach out and hit snooze on your alarm like in the morning?
but like same with the eyelids, like she can't technically see, but if I were to shine a flashlight on her, she'd move away, which is so cute to me.
I have another one.
Yes.
So how have people started treating you differently now that you're showing?
Oh, that's a good
Oh yeah,
question.
people are definitely more accommodating. Like they will. Like I was picking up books the other day at the trade show I was at, and this person stopped me and was like, "Oh, because these were big coffee table books, like thick books. Oh, you can't do that." And I was like, "But I can." But
Nah,
you
but
guys
don't.
shouldn't.
I
So
would. I
that-
love
yes.
that.
So
Don't have
that's
to carry something
good.
heavy.
People being
Yeah.
more accommodating, I would
Yeah.
hope so. But what about people looking at you in odd ways depending on where you go? Like if you're out with friends at like
Yes.
a bar or something,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
people are just like, "Wow, what a mess!"
I haven't. I went to one bar weeks ago, and I think I talked about this the last baby update with my friend that was in town. You know, I just chilled there and like drank water, but I did have a mocktail in a copper mug at dinner. But this place is also kind of like a lounge, and I did see someone staring at me, and I could tell she was like, "Is she drinking?"
So here's the thing that's hilarious
Yeah.
about that. And I talked to someone who had a baby, and she said, "Well, you really shouldn't be drinking when you first start being pregnant because
First
that's
trimester.
when you're like laying down the foundation of babyhood." But later on, it's more okay. Like third trimester, it's okay to have like a glass of wine. But the problem with that is like you could not be showing and drinking and wrecking your baby.
Right.
But when you are showing and having a drink, it's okay. But that's when people are like, "What the hell are you doing?"
And it's so tough because you visit like the mommy forums and there's so much judgment when it comes to like that occasional glass of wine. And there's such conflicting studies. Like in the UK, they'll have studies saying that like an occasional glass of red wine is actually good for the baby. That there's been studies showing that it helps the baby and that they have a higher IQ. And then you have studies here. There's actually no studies that approve either or, except for of course excess amounts of alcohol. But I think what it boils down to, because if you look at the CDC, they will say no alcohol. And I think but doctors will say have the occasional glass of wine, and that's okay. But I think the CDC has to say no alcohol because what is moderation of alcohol
Yeah.
to some people? To me, it could be one glass a week. To someone else, that could be a couple glasses a
Can
day.
you smoke or take edibles?
No.
Okay,
Oh,
not at all.
well, no, they recommend no. I don't. I just want to be as careful as possible. But there are women out there that claim that it helped their nausea.
Not cigarettes. I mean, like
Right.
smoking, yeah.
There are women out there that have used CBD oils and edibles that had really helped their symptoms, and they wanted to do that instead of prescriptions. I would rather not do any of it, but you know, and their babies came out perfectly
So
healthy.
are you on any medication right now?
None, no medication.
Holy shit!
Well, no, yeah, none.
I didn't
none.
know that. That's awesome. Good for
But
you.
you're also being on top of it, like getting
Yeah.
your nails done non-toxic
Yes.
and like doing all these other
I had
things,
to learn
right?
that too. I had to throw away all my cleaning products and get green cleaning products, and they do recommend that because you know everything that you're smelling and ingesting, this little fetus, you know, now pound baby is also. And then same with nails. So there's one nail salon in LA that has non-toxic polishes. And what's frustrating about that is if you were to go to like the UK or go overseas, it's the same nail polish. It's just here we don't have those regulations. So our nail polishes have like formaldehyde and stuff in them. But if I were to get my nails done in like London, it would be okay.
And that's the only reason I don't get my nails done. Just so
Yep.
you guys know,
Good
that's
for
the
you.
only reason.
But it is crazy and exciting and fun, and I'm trying to think 22 weeks. So, gosh, yeah. I mean, in a few weeks, the baby technically can live outside of the womb. God forbid if something happened. God forbid if something happened. So I want to make it to that marker, but now there's so much to do. I have to figure out so much stuff, like my birthing plan and all those
Have
things.
you done the nursery yet? Do you have a
No,
design?
I haven't done the. I do have a wallpaper. It's a really cute jackalope wallpaper. It's so
What's a jackalope?
She did that, to be fair, when she got married.
But yeah, so I'm
So that's the next update might be what's going on with like the nursery and your birthing plan.
I don't know. I think the next update, I want to visit a birthing center. I'm with an OBGYN at Cedars, which is like a hospital here in LA. And so I need to tour Cedars, and then I need to tour the birthing center, and then kind of decide if I want to go with my OBGYN or go with a midwife. And there's benefits and there's pros
Or
and
just
cons
like
to
wing
both.
it.
Yeah.
There's
See what
pros
happens.
and cons to both, but it's
Grace
yeah.
will come help you out.
Just like play it by ear. Give me a call. We'll
Just
do
go
it.
like,
Oh, and then today in a couple hours, I get to do they do a 20 to 22 week, like this is like the main ultrasound where you get to see the features. And it's not that elective
Today?
one. Yeah, today. There's like an elective one that's like 40. It's not that. I don't care to do that. It's I want to do the one that's like medically necessary. And this one they're looking, and it doesn't hurt the baby. It's just on my tummy. It's not invasive. But they look and see, like make sure if 10 fingers, 10 toes. The face is developing normally, and so kind of scary because you could be told.
Fingers and toes.
You could. Oh, you know what else is weird that I found out? So when I was looking at like what's Sophie growing right now, 2 days ago or 3 days ago, she had all her eggs. That's so weird.
Whoa.
I know, and it's kind of gross, but it's not but it's weird that I get grossed out by biology. Like when I talk to you about my placenta, it grossed me out, but it shouldn't. But I was like, whoa, she already has 6 million eggs. This little 11-inch, 1-pound baby has 6 million eggs.
11-inch.
6 million eggs. And then it just decreases from there.
You're going to have
It's
to
a
have the
downhill,
talk with her.
Sophie. Sorry about it. Your clock is ticking.
Wait, Sophie's clock is ticking.
Yeah.
This
my
is where
gosh.
babies come from. This is where you come from, Sophie.
Isn't it crazy though? It's just so weird to me that our bodies make, they're right now, like I could go and there's a baby there.
Right,
I don't
like-
mean that in a bad way.
No, you
Right,
are
like, yeah.
amazing.
Unzip. I
That's
could
amazing.
unzip my tummy and you would see a baby in there like Sophie. I can't wait to meet
That's
her.
what that zipper is in her.
It's not a zipper, it's a tie. I wish I could untie and
I'm
just,
saying that one.
Oh, up
That's a little
here.
too high. That's gonna
Yeah,
be
that would be the G
Then I'm like
boobs.
focus
That would be
level
the G
1000, trying not
boobs.
to look at. Anyway, but that's great because like I have trouble assembling IKEA furniture, but like you're building a human. That's really creepy.
And she's built, apparently. Now, like, she's gaining weight and, like, little things will happen. Like, she's growing her hair.
I hope she's
now
huge. I hope she's a huge baby.
That
What a
will
bitch.
hurt, bitch. What a bitch.
No.
I
That's
hope
gonna
it's
do I tear
impossible.
every which way.
I was almost 10 pounds.
Oh
Same.
my God.
Wow.
And it
Same.
was
Whatever
just like,
healthy
yeah,
baby.
healthy baby.
Whatever will be.
Well, that's
will
what I'm
be.
telling
Do you know
Healthy
wait, why did you say that?
No, I mean,
Yeah,
Sophie.
why would you want her to be? I mean, if she
Because
becomes out huge, it's
this is
awesome,
what
but
I
that's
want.
hard labor. That's hard.
Apparently, when I was inside my mother, I was just like eating like all the time, just like I got huge, and there wasn't any precedent for it. And I hope that Sophie's the same way. Just like you're never gonna be in this apartment again, Sophie. I'm telling
I
you, just like
know.
eat
You
it
should
up.
just
Like
chill.
you're
Yeah.
just Jay chilling with Sam all
She's
day.
hungry.
So did you
a lot.
take into
Hungry?
consideration
Yeah.
before you said that the obvious thing, which is like she's gonna have to push that out of her body.
Yeah.
No, I was
And
thinking about
she-
Sophie having
you
a
were-
good time.
You were
You're
so
eating well,
But you have
did
to
so
eat
well
well.
being like
You have to-
empathetic about
I
like, are you
know.
nauseous? Are you
But you
sleeping
want-
right? How about the airplane? I hope labor sucks.
Yeah, thank you, Brett. That's
say
exactly
that.
what that was. That's
I just want Sophie to have like relax.
She's very
Eat it up.
relaxed when she's hungry.
I
she
made my
moves.
mom's
Yeah.
pushing. Hell, I hope you do
That's
too.
so funny, but we'll see. But the healthy baby. If she's a big baby, she's a big baby.
Yes.
You know what else is really interesting, and then we'll go is I read that she's because she can move her hands now, so she'll want to grab onto things. So I guess she's grabbing on the umbilical cord,
Yikes.
but it can't do anything. And then she's swallowing the amniotic fluid now too.
What's that?
Oh, so like there's the baby's like suspended in fluid. It like protects the baby.
The water breaking.
Yeah. So there's
She's in
fluid in,
that
there.
water.
She's drinking it.
She's just
Yeah,
like
she's-
swimming around.
She's
in
breathing it and shit.
She's breathing it, yeah. So she's swallowing the fluid.
She's plugged in like a phone,
all
but
the
she's learning
things-
how to act when you unplug her.
Oh,
So she's going through all the motions of like checking the email while plugged in. She doesn't have to
Yeah.
rely on her own power. But then when she gets unplugged,
What a great
it's
analogy.
all
Yeah.
gonna
Oh,
go.
that really just like
She's
She's growing
sums
little
it up.
hair. So I guess if we were to look at her right now, she would be. You could see like the hair, and you could see like the wrinkles because she's not plump enough yet. So she'd be like wrinkly.
like a
Wait,
sharp
let me get this straight. So Sophie's gaining weight. She's growing hair, and
Yeah.
her clock is ticking. I feel like we have a lot in common. Me and Sophie, like.
It's funny. I can't wait. I can't wait. So that was fun. So we'll do another baby date update in like a few weeks. So that time she'll be. God, I wonder
maybe
how
we'll
big.
just ask her the questions
I wonder
next
how
time.
big. That would be amazing. We can try. We can try. So please leave your questions and comments. I love reading what you have to say, and we'll see you next time on Pop Trigger.